On today's agenda, I am going to reorganize these cabinets behind me here. These two in particular are our most used cabinets. They keep all of our spices and pantry goods on one, and then the other one has supplements, our protein, and hopefully when we adopt a little baby, this is where we're going to also keep the bottles and all of the formula items. Now, I don't have a very functional system right now. Everything's just kind of thrown on the shelves, and I know once we get a baby, I want to make the formula station, and that's what I'm going to call it, very functional. So I need to keep that in mind when I'm shopping and looking for items or bins or whatever I need to find. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We're gonna do like a little shopping for some organization things, and then I'm gonna take you back to our house and we're going to reorganize everything. So I thought it'd be fun to take you guys along with me and kind of show this little project. I was just gonna do it, and I thought, you know what, they might enjoy seeing this because they enjoyed our kitchen tour so much. So I'm gonna finish my drink here. We're gonna take Andrew for a walk, and then we're gonna go shopping, so let's go. You know what time it is. All right, so we are back from walking. I changed into a little dress. My hair is still up. It's a little hot out today, so I'm just gonna keep my hair up the rest of today. But I wanna show you what these cabinets look like before we head out and start running the errands. Okay, I'm already getting embarrassed just walking up here. Okay, so let me break it down. We have extra supplements up there. We've got our teas. These are our daily protein powders, MSM powder, electrolytes, things that we take pretty much on the daily are up here. These are supplements, and this is our, what I'm hoping to be a functional baby formula station area. So we've got bottles, bottle warmer, and some formula. So we're going to try to make this a little bit more functional in here. And then this side here, I like this. I need to do something about the big packaged spices, but this is not really that bad. Now this up here definitely is not the most functional. You pull one thing, 5 things fall on you. So this is pretty much like my baked goods up here, and then just some more pantry items over here as well. And then that's about it. Home now. That took way longer than I anticipated. I am going to show you now what I got from the Container Store. I could not wrangle the camera and everything that I was trying to get and think, and I literally just like walked around in circles for a very long time. So let me show you guys what I got. I ended up finding these bamboo stackables. And I thought maybe they would work maybe to put like the bottles and lids, and they stack. So I really like these. And I can link all of these things down below if you guys are also interested in this, but I really like these, and the price point was really great. I've looked online, but I've actually never been in the store. I was very surprised how well everything was priced out, and better than Amazon. So I was very impressed with their price point. So I got these wire baskets here. These actually don't stack, but I don't need them to stack. I got 2 different sizes. So this wider, the wider squares I thought would be easy to pull in and out of the cabinet, so I got 2 of these. And then I got 3 of these mesh wires, and I actually like this better than the other ones, but I only have so much space. I think I have 28 inches wide for the cabinet for the bottles. So I thought maybe this would be really easy to pull in and out as well, and have like the formula in one, the bottles in the other, maybe like the nipples and caps in the third. So we'll see what works better. I also got some bin clip labels. I love how these always look, and that way when you're pulling things down, like the baskets that you saw that I got from Home Goods, I can just clip those on there, and then that way I know where to put it back and what's in the basket, because they're not gonna be see-through. So anyway, I got a few packs of these. And I also got some dividers because I thought, well, maybe it would be easier just to pull things out on a divider as well. Again, I'm only working with like 11 inches deep and 28 inches wide, so it was a little tricky trying to figure out what was gonna work for this space. So anyway, that's what I got from the Container Store. The first thing I'm gonna do is just pull everything out of the cabinets, put it on the counters, and then I'm gonna sort through things that I no longer need, maybe that have expired, things that I can actually stow away. So I'm going to go ahead and purge, but the best thing to do is to pull it all out and see everything you have. Essentially, you're doing like an inventory. So that's what I'm gonna start doing here. Now that all of the cabinets are empty, I'm going to take a cloth and wipe them down. They're really kind of gross. I lined them when we first moved in, but yeah, they're looking a little dirty. So I'm gonna take a cloth and wipe them really quickly. Officially done organizing these cabinets. It took me all day. It is 7:17 at night and I am hungry. I need to make some dinner, but it's gonna be easy to find all of my spices and all of my foods here in our cabinets now that everything is nice and organized and nothing's fallen out on us. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed organizing with me. I love organization videos. I think they're extremely motivating and they also give me ideas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry, my bun is completely lopsided because that's how I'm feeling. I am so tired right now. So thank you guys so much for watching and I will be back with some new recipes next week. Bye.